Since this is the first post on this channel, I wanted to describe the reasons I started it. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to dive below the surface of common topics that are presented in the news and social media. Often the information presented in the media is superficial or only covers one or two aspects of a complex issue. I hope to bring together information from various sources combined with a common sense approach to provide more context to these issues. Sometimes there will be a large amount of information relevant to a given topic, and other times trends and common sense will be used when information is lacking. Many decisions that are currently being made through different levels of government, in businesses, and in organizations are too often based on a narrow view of an issue. In order to achieve meaningful, well-thought-out solutions, issues need to be examined at a deeper level. Information should be analyzed, and different options considered. Some topics examined in this channel will be relatively simple, while others extremely complex. These may need to be examined in more than one vlog. My goal is to explore relevant issues from different angles, promote thoughtful reflection, and encourage feedback and input from individuals that find examining these topics exciting. I hope you join me on this journey.
Overview and purpose. In the media over the past several years, there has been a constant discussion of global warming and the impacts of mankind. In addition, there are also other benefits other than the release of greenhouse gases to some of the solutions. However, there is usually not much discussion about what individuals can do to contribute to a solution. There is even less discussion surrounding the reasons of why we should implement a specific solution. Here are 8 reasons why people should recycle organic material and the corresponding benefits. 1. Reduces methane emissions from landfills. When organic waste decomposes in landfills without oxygen, it produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Proper recycling through composting allows aerobic decomposition instead. Decreases landfill burden. Organic waste typically makes up 30 to 40% of household waste. Diverting it through recycling significantly extends the lifespan of existing landfills and reduces the need for new ones. 3. Creates nutrient-rich compost. The composted material becomes a valuable natural fertilizer that improves soil structure, water retention, and plant growth while reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. 4. Supports local agriculture and reduces grocery costs. When processed into compost, organic waste provides local farmers and gardeners with sustainable soil amendments at a reduced cost, creating a circular economy in food production. Growing more food and plants locally reduces the need for importing these items from longer distances. Producing plants locally reduces the cost to the consumer. 5. Conserves yard and farm water resources and reduces soil erosion. Compost-enriched soil retains moisture better, reducing irrigation needs by up to 30% in agricultural and landscaping applications. This is especially valuable in drought-prone areas. Adding compost to soil improves its structure and stability, helping prevent erosion and protecting valuable topsoil from being washed away. 6. Reduces home water use and plumbing maintenance. Home water use is reduced by not having to rinse organic materials, including grease and oils, into the sewer system. Even with a sink carburetor, we'll probably need a considerable amount of hot water and additional soap to wash away grease and oil residue. You can easily soak up oil and grease from pans, barbecues, and hot air fryers with paper towels. The paper towels can be disposed of in the organics recycling bins. This will also decrease the likelihood that your pipes will clog from grease. 7. Creates local green jobs. The organic waste recycling industry generates local employment opportunities in collection, processing, and distribution of composted materials. 8. High environmental value. Organics recycling provides a relatively high environmental return for a small cost and effort. Minimal additional effort is needed to dispose of organic waste in cities with organic bin collection. As previously mentioned, this will also greatly reduce the lifespan of landfills, reducing disposal costs for cities. Summary: if you live in a town or city without organics collection, you should reach out to the city to look into providing this service. Of course, as with most projects, there are significant initial setup costs. However, compared to other solutions, organics recycling is a relatively effective low-cost way to make a significant environmental impact at the local level.